Nithyanandam, God and Goddesses. As you guys been requesting and wanting, and I have been promising, and now we're here, I'm going to be start making more frequent YouTube videos because you guys want longer videos, and the videos on TikTok are just too short for the amount of information that's being shared. We're going to be speaking about how to get rid of body odor. And every YouTube video is just going to be very slow paced, you know, and the reason why a lot of people might be very quick on wanting the information and grabbing, but the thing you need to understand is that society is being built in such a way, it's growing in such a way where the attention span of people is becoming so insufficient, where at the moment you end up going into another thing, you're already thinking about something else. So these videos also, as we're connecting with each other and you're connecting with me with this space, you'll learn to slow down, relax, and have the time to receive this information. I've gotten many emails, people telling me how bad their attention spans are. And they told me that they were surprised that they were able to get through all of my videos without any break. So that's the reason why I'm not trying to make this a very fast-paced type of video, something where we can sit down with each other and relate, and me giving you the information that I want to share. So, as you see in the title of the video, this is about removing body odor in the armpit or underarms. What you'll be using for this, and it is available online, you can get it from Amazon for just a few bucks, is zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is a natural mineral that is taken from the crust of the earth, and that is used for various purposes, and it is safe and it is healthy. It's safe to use. They use it in sunscreen, lotions, and they use it whenever someone has surgery. The skin or the wound needs time to heal, and to not allow that to smell. You ever notice, for any of you who ever got an injury, or any of you who got some type of cast or something like this, where you might have it for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and you don't smell anything bad, but they always tell you don't wet it. Of course, don't wet it because, you know, it can end up, you know, staying there and it gets stinky and it's not time to take it off yet. But during that time, there is no smell happening with that cast that you have on your arm or leg or whatever, or the wound that's healing, or at least to the very bare minimal. There might be a small lingering smell. That is the zinc oxide at work. Now, you would want to get a non-nano zinc oxide powder. The reason why non-nano is because majority, I haven't found one that is not non-nano, but if it's nano in terms of the size, it will be small enough to go into your pores. This, usually the ones I see online and Amazon, it is non-nano and it doesn't get absorbed by the skin. Okay, so when you first, and I'm gonna should be showing it here, when you first get it and receive it, you're gonna take at least this much, not much, just a little bit. You're going to apply some in the palm of your hand. So once you take that much, I would say, if you had to measure, if you had to get a measurement from me, I would say anywhere between a quarter teaspoon. If you had to measure, you'll put that amount in the palm of your hand and just add droplets of water. Make it enough where it can be a paste. Once you make it into a paste, you just rub it so, and then with the one hand that has it all over the fingers there, you just apply it there in the area. You get it nice and well. You do it all here, down here, a little bit in the back, and you get that whole area. Then you get the other hand, whatever's left, and do the same. Now, there are 2 times you can do this. You can either do this prior to going to sleep. That way it has the night to just sit there and do its thing, so that when you wake up in the morning and you're doing your routine, once you take bath, you can just wash it off. Then, another time when you can do this is when you're getting ready before showering, while you're doing all of your morning ritual activities before taking bath, then that can be another time where you can apply it. so that while you are doing your ritual routine and everything, you will have that still have some time where you can get it washed off after you're going into the bath. Now, how this works, and the reason why it works is because, and the reason why this works is because zinc oxide, with the properties that it has, it specifically eliminates the bacteria and pH levels that's created in the underarm that produces the odor in the first place. So when you apply this and you take bath and you go ahead and you wash yourself nicely, you can literally go, depending on the person, I have went a whole week without needing to reapply anything. I haven't used deodorant in months and I have not had a smell. Right now, I smell pleasant and I just smell like myself. No odors at all. So it's very simple, very inexpensive, and anyone can use it. And also, you don't have to look for an organic one or non-GMO one. This is a natural mineral that is derived from the Earth's crust. So it's not something that's grown that can possibly be GMO or non-organic. It's a natural organic compound mineral, ore, that is available for us to immediately get rid of any odors. Now, there is a bit of a white essence in terms of color to apply it because it's very white. It's a white powder. While taking bath, you just can mostly scrub. Soap will take care of it. Even if there's a little bit of residue of the white, by the next day when you take bath, it'll be completely gone. Either doing it 30 minutes or an hour prior to showering, or doing it before bed and then waking up, doing your routine and showering. Enjoy an odorless, free life. I've been enjoying it. I don't need to, it's not even about buying deodorants anymore. Naturally, it doesn't really make sense to have to apply things there. Because the thing is that when you're applying things there, this is a closed area. That's the reason why it has the environment to produce the bacteria to produce the smell in the first place. This part is always closed. So, an odor-free life. Thank you guys for joining. See you guys in the next video. Nithyanandam.